The Dearborn Heights City Libraries present 5 to 10 crafting series with Eileen and Venus. I'm Eileen.
And I'm Venus. Crafts are for elementary children, but all ages are welcome.
Each month we will be doing a craft video.
Crafts will be available for a limited time for pickup at Dearborn Heights City Libraries and when possible,
as a download on our website.
Now, let's get crafting.
Today, we're going to do a craft called a Chinese paper lantern. February is the Chinese New Year this year. And in celebration, we're going to be doing a Chinese lantern. And you can see how it just opens up like that when you hold it. And then we have a couple streamers on it. So let's get started. First off, I have a set of instructions here, which you can download for a period of time on our Dearborn Heights City Library website. Basically, it is, you're going to be using a piece of cardstock. You choose your color. This one I did in red. This one I did in yellow. I also have with this, let me get that staple out, the strips for the little streamers. And I have some black construction paper. You can use any type of black paper that you want. First off, let's get our supplies that we're going to need together. We're going to need scissors, and we're going to need glue, or you can use tape if you need to. You don't have the glue. All right, we're going to start. I have a pattern on here. If you don't have a pattern, you could basically make your own pattern, but we'll show you how. I'm going to cut this end strip off here. That is going to be our handle. So get our scissors and start cutting. You take your time cutting, as slow or as long as it takes to cut it. I have lots of practice cutting, so I can cut a little faster than some. Now with the rest of the paper, we're going to fold it in half, just like that. Get a nice crease. Now, if you don't have the lines on it, when you cut, you're going to cut about 1 inch in, and each time you're going to keep doing an inch over, leaving an inch on the end. But you're not going to cut all the way through. So you can do this without the lines. I have the lines pattern, just make life easier. And you're just going to cut. Leave about an inch or so over here, maybe a little bit more, a little less. And we're going to just keep going through and doing this all the way through. So you take your time cutting, get lots of practice cutting. Let's see, Venus, how are you doing with your craft?
Hey, Eileen. I decided to use stuff that I had laying around the house. So it's not cardstock, it's not construction paper, it's bright colored paper, a little heavier than regular paper. I have a bright blue and I have a kind of bright green, not quite neon green. I cut the neon green into strips to use as my streamers. And I also cut a strip, although crinkled first before I realized, I cut a strip for my handle. I did cut a strip off of the blue. since we had to cut apart a piece. And but I'm going to use a green piece as my handle instead of the blue. And I'm just about to start cutting, although as you see, I do not have any lines. Back to you, Miss Eileen.
There's the last one. Okay, now we have it. We're going to open it up. Just like that. Now we're going to hold it long ways. All right. So now that we have that, we're going to seal the edges of it by turning it and gluing along there. But I'm going to glue it so that the pattern is on the inside. So let's get our glue. And if you don't have glue, you can certainly use tape. Let's get glue all along this edge. Then we're going to turn it. All the way over. And it can be a little tricky, but we're going to glue those two edges together, just like that, all the way down. So, and like I said, you're more than welcome to tape it if you want. So now that we have that, we can take and bend it, all those little pieces outward. All face outward. You could have bent them before we glued them. Make sure that one is that. So now, oops, here's a couple we missed. So now when we push on it, they all bend outward. Just like that. So now we have our basic lantern. We're going to take the handle and we're going to put some glue on each side. Lots and lots of glue. And we're going to put that inside. Turn it down and glue the other one. We now have a handle. The next thing we can do is on the black strips, let's take, and we're going to put glue all along that. I'm going to take the black strip right along the bottom and go all the way around. And it's a little longer than it. You can overlap it or you can cut the excess off. Let's take a little glue right on the end. And that looks good just like that. We're going to do the same thing with the top. Put that long strip, get some glue on it. And then along the top, we're going to do the same thing all the way around. That'll also help hold it together where you glued it together. So now you've got your little lantern. And if you have, you can do this with strips of paper. I've got it with a little bit of paper here. And I'm going to put a little glue on the top. And glue that inside. just like that. There's one strip. You can do this with any, if you have ribbons, you can do this with ribbons. You can cut out colored paper and do this with. Maybe a magazine with colorful strips off of a magazine. And you can choose any color you want. Venus, how are you coming along with your lantern?
Looking good, Eileen. Looking good. Mine, I'm almost done. I have decided to take plain streamers and cut them into shapes. Now, all I got to do is add them. Don't know if glue's going to be enough since this is paper and not crepe paper, but we'll try. If not, I do have some packing tape, mini packing tape that I can use to secure them. Trying to figure out where to equidistance them in with 3 is rather tough. I think I got it. And here is my final product.
All right. We got our Chinese lantern, and you can hang it on the wall, or you can carry it around like and happy Chinese New Year. Thank you for watching.
Enjoyed what you saw here? Subscribe to the Dearborn Heights Library channel on YouTube and be notified when there's a new episode.
Did you know that with your Dearborn Heights Library card, you can borrow ebooks, e-audiobooks, stream thousands of hours of music, and even movies? You can download apps for your devices or visit our website on a computer.
Last blurb, we promise. Stay connected with us at dhcl.mishlibrary.org and on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.
Thanks for tuning in.